Chances are, if you consider that modern culture is spiralling backwards in suicide cycles, uncivilized sideshows of the industrialized carnivals, the banter of coloured lights, of sounds and images flashing and flickering into subconscious stupors, the stunned stupid, within fabric tatters, forming nature from synthetic scatters, starving the hungry to fatten the factory and feed those full on what we've extracted, while numbing our ways with minds to be smarter, when survival's the sign of the modern day martyr. Chances are.
Love me true, all my dreams fulfilled. Oh my darling, I love you, and I always will. Love me tender, love me true, never ever part. For my darling, I love you, and you make me part.
Got a barrel of money, maybe we're ragged and funny, but we'll travel along, singing that song side by side. Through all kinds of weather, what if the sky should fall? Just as long as we're together, it doesn't really matter at all. Hello!
No, look, it's not going to hurt because you've had more than enough of them out, and just bite on the yeah, and sweet, and brace it, yeah. No, it's sweet, no, it's okay,
Julian! What are you doing? What are you doing in here, Julian? They're coming through the wall! Oh, he's unplugged me.
I feel like a doctor at surgery. You know, station for
I think the patient's bleeding, doctor. I don't know if you know what the fuck you're doing. It was just, that was his kidney. mum would be proud, Rhys. In fact, anyone's mum would be proud.
We have to say, Rhys is such a genius. I cannot believe the feeling, the emotion, just the pure essence that he puts into his work.
Anyone would think I'm just fucking piling goo into a bucket or something.
No, we know that's not true, Rhys. We hold by you, eh? I mean, otherwise we
I
wouldn't
did 5 years of art school to get to this stage.
we wouldn't be feeding you.
At times, you feel lost in this adult world. It's as though we're all children, selfishly commandeering sides of responsibility.
At this point, these people are going to be fucking bugging because they get framed with this. That's your lead.
Fluid movement as obvious as fluid movement as obvious as the water pulling us on.
I want to sit with you and say nothing. Tie all of my silence together. Have it out. Strung up. Unshadowed.
Here we go. Hide in Parliament, hide in your halls. It ain't gonna do you no good at all. Hide in Parliament, hide in your halls. It ain't gonna do you no good at all.
I nearly got it. Yeah, we're doing the dishes. Oh, there it is. That's the wonder of it all. That's what started the decay. The bacteria started here. The bile of it all. Clean up! It's clean up time! Everything, clean up, come on! No more! No more! What's the broken?
I've been caught. My secret dish fetish is out.
Hey mate. Yeah, just last performance, you know how it is. The man and his kennel pig.
Oh no, they've gone straight over. Oh no, it's driven into their natural environment. That's the big boy video taking a peek there. Maybe twice. Give it!
Bedtime with Con. Just for Rhys.
He's into the trap again.
Refrigerate after opening. Everything's concerned with extending its shelf life. Colour-free, no preservatives, without additives, artificial. We are all learning to vacuum seal ourselves away. Shrink-wrapped, freeze-drying, Tupperware testimonies. Plastic excuses on snap-locking lunchboxes, all with apples for teacher and biscuits for the playground. Through cling film, we're distorted as a two-way mirror. But none of this is good for cleaning up spills, and we're still taking up valuable cupboard space.
Personally, I think this is the best script that Rhys has ever written.
I fucking hate the television, eh?
What do they spray on their mangoes in Peru? What do they spray on their dates on Iran?
Toxic shit. No
Exactly, man. Toxic shit.
This is a whole lot of nonsense, man. You really shouldn't be listening to this. There you go. Eat shit! Well, this might just like crawl into my own little corner. Fuck you, Damon. Fuck you and the horse that you fucking rode on, motherfucker. I'll eat your brains.
Look at you, you're fucking pathetic, man. You are fucking pathetic, bro.
I wish I could rewrite this, because it sucks. No worries, mate, I'll fix it for you. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, fucking thing.
As with, the matter speaks for itself. If you can factor me into, equate the many parts, facets of my faces, delineate, de-animate my masses, function down my form, polarize my magnetism, paste over the weariness, cut out a piece of passion, select a morsel of monotony and temper it with big-headedness. Resolve to unclutter me and make it possible, not probable, to be or not to be anyway.